Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2023, 24th of May. Right, thank you so much for coming in, guys. Thank you so much. Right, yes, we are here. Welcome back from lunch. Okay, so yep, right now we have POW CPI. Am I right? Okay, POW CPI. So we have power CPI over here, and allow it to go. Okay, allow it to go further up. All right. So let's see. Well, let's wait for the power to settle down. Okay, then we can go on. All right. Looks like we have tested, taken out this 124.522. All right, where it started to get balanced out and now ready to go. All right, hi Hubert, I am K. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much. All right, so over at this point here, right, and looks like there are plenty of chance for us to sell down today. Right? Okay, so yep, just give me a minute. All right. Okay, just give me a minute. Well, we still have yep, let's see. Okay. Right, so let me get everything ready. Okay, and yep. Let's see what do we have here today. Right. Looks like over here. Can I have my MT4 please? Ready? My MT4? Okay. Thank you. Right, guys, thank you so much. Okay, so yep, here we are. Right, hi Kiwi. Yes, coming in. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Tentatively right now, as we can see now, because of the CPI. Okay, it up very bullish. Okay, so looks like there are plenty of opportunity. Okay, but we need to allow it to settle down. Okay, let's settle down first. Then after that, then we will see how it goes before we take action. Okay, so yep, all right. Okay. Let's see. Oh, today my voice is a bit. All right. Okay, so while waiting for it to settle down, okay, I'm actually looking into this level 124.522 here. It went up to test onto the resistance up here over at this point here. So looks like over at this point it has tested into this level of resistance. Okay, and it got rejected down once again. Okay. So let's see if there's any good chance there. All right. Okay. Yep. My voice doesn't sound very clear, right? It's on and off, right? What's wrong today? Okay. Let me. No sound. The sound is it's like as if the wind have blown away. It's being blown away, you see. Okay, let's okay, let me adjust it directly to me. Okay. Alright, so let me know if the sound is not clear enough. Okay. Yep, let me sound test. Alright. Okay. Well, I think it should be okay. Alright, it should be okay. Yep. Okay. Well, let's take a look. What do we have here for Aussie CAD today? Well, Aussie CAD managed to break through what we are waiting for, right? So looks like over at this point here is good. Then it's clear, huh? Okay, that's good. Okay, right. So over at this point here for the Aussie CAD at this point here, right? So looks like today we can look out for selling. Okay, so let's see. This level here. Okay, are we still very near to the support over at this point here? area, about 46 pips to go. All right, so let's see if we can adjust this downwards down here to look out for the resistance. Okay, because that may be one level that it may start to become a trending market. Okay, trending market. Right. Hi JJ, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. All right, so once again over at this point here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah. For Aussie CAD over here, I will wait for it to have some retracement. Okay, to go up to test onto the resistance. Right, so that there will be a better chance for me to continue the selling. Okay, right. Okay, so at the moment, I think Aussie CAD, we can put this into our watch list. Okay, so Aussie CAD, right? Okay, Aussie CAD over here. Okay, so next to go for Aussie franc over here. Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc today, let's take a look. Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc over at this point here, right? It looks like it's still around here. Okay, so Aussie franc, it looks like it's also have a good chance for the selling down. Well, right at this point here, we have let's see this one, this area here. We have broke this area and now looking out for the selling. Right, so most likely we are looking into this area here. So this area is one area that we can be looking out for. However, currently at this point here, we are having some little support here. So probably we need to wait for it to break away from this. Then after that, we may have a good chance there. Okay, so for Aussie franc, yeah, we can also wait for it to come along. But then again, is that now we are on the support. Okay, so we just need to be a little bit patient. Okay, right. Yep. And let's see about Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen over at this level. Aussie yen. Well, as for the trend wise, let's take a look. The trend over here, you can see is a downward trend. After that, it's escalating up, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Now coming in for the selling. Well, looks good, am I right? Okay. So it tested on the resistance, and now the resistance is holding it quite well. However, now I would say that basing on this wave here, we are currently still in the bull. So that means to say we are having an anti-trend trading today. It's looking out for support. So the support over here, they have broke the support. Now it's looking out for another round of the support, which is over here. Okay, which is over here. So looks like for the Aussie yen, we still have about 50 over pips to go. But along the way, there will be some turbulence. Okay, like example here, this area here. Right, so let's take note of this area. Okay, so for Aussie yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, let's see if there's a chance to sell down later on. Well, for Aussie dollar. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie dollar over here. Well, for Aussie dollar, right? For Aussie dollar over here, Aussie dollar looks like now. Okay, the trend. Let's take a look at the trend here. Well, the trend over for Aussie dollar, as we can see, it landed here for quite a few days. Am I right? Okay, so since quite a while, since February until now, so we are now coming near to this area to break out of this zone. Okay, break out of this zone. So as you can see, this zone over here. So I will be waiting for it to break out of this zone. Then probably we will take action to sell. Okay. So at the moment, let's take a look at Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. For now, I will be looking out for the buying. Buyers can take note, but for the sellers, we have to stay away. Right. For Euro CAD over here. Euro CAD. Well, for the Euro CAD at the moment, they are setting up for support. As we can see, we are now in the bull, setting up the support. Right, it's very obvious that we are on the support right now. So very likely, I will see that there will be a good chance that for the Aussie CAD, it may still want to test into the resistance up here. So at the moment, buyers can take note, sellers have to stay away. Right, for Euro Yen, let's take a look, Euro Yen. So euro yen, we are in the bear. Sorry, we're in the bull. Correct, we're in the bull. So we are still running up to test into this resistance over here. Okay, which is created yesterday. So over at this point here, how many pips are we away from the resistance? We still have about 60 to 70. So buyers can take notes. Okay, buyers can take note of this. All right. So at the moment, it's in the bull trend, hitting on the support. I will see buying is possible. All right. Okay. So for Euro Kiwi, all right, Euro Kiwi over at this point, Euro Kiwi looks like very obvious that we are actually moving towards the north to test the resistance. Okay. So looking at the general trend, okay, over at this point here, well, you can see that we are testing onto the resistance in the bull. It can pull back a bit here, and now he's hitting up, forming up a support to go for the resistance. Well, I think that looks pretty okay. Okay, however, we still need some time. Okay, we still need some time to observe. So we will skip this first. Right, for euro dollar. Well, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. What trend are we in now? Okay, looks like we're in the bull, coming into the bear because it broke the structure. So at this point here, today, as we can see from here, we are moving towards the north nicely. Okay, slowly and steadily. Okay, so at this level here, right, at this level here, so we're looking out into this level of resistance first. Okay, which is 1080.59 before we take action. Okay, so I think this one looks pretty okay. All right, then we also have one resistance here which broke above. Okay, and now we are moving towards the north to take this area of resistance. Then after that, perhaps it may still continue to go up to test into this resistance as well. Okay, so let's see if that works. Okay, let's see if that works. If that works, then I think that will be a good one. Right, for euro dollar. Okay, for euro dollar. So at the moment, still on the buy side. So perhaps later on, we can come back later on to see how it goes. Right. Okay, so let's see how Aussie. We are in the bull. So buyers can take note. Okay, very clear. So over at this point here, since we are in the bull, it's set up with the support. It's still moving towards the north. So buyers can take note. Sellers have to stay away. All right, Powcat. Powcat. Well, as for Powcat right here, so Powcat over at this point here looks like we are also in the bull, setting up the support. Well, buyers can take note, sellers stay away. All right. Okay, so for Franc, well, looking at this chart, same thing, skip. Okay. All right. So for Yen, let's take a look at Yen. Yen, we are in the bull, running nicely. All right, running very nicely into the bull. So tentatively, by looking into this area here, the bull is still running into the resistance level. Okay, so we are running into the resistance level here. So tentatively for Yen, will there be a chance for the selling? Currently, by looking into this area here, right, Yen is still in the bull. So today, if this after this CPI, it has tested into the resistance and it's not breaking, we may have a good chance there. Okay, we may have a good chance there. All right. So, but remember, they are actually looking out for support. They are coming down to look out for support before it continue to buy up. So at this moment, okay, at this moment, seems like we are still testing into this area here. Okay. So Yen wise, as for Yen, okay, if we are going to sell, do remember, okay, this selling is actually anti-trend trading. Okay, and they are looking out for support. So once they meet up with any support, then we have to get out of the trade. Okay, all right. So for the Yen, okay, I will be putting this into my watch list. Later on, we can take a look. All right. So for Kiwi very bullish, as we can see here. All right, since morning until now, it's very bullish. All right, Kiwi. So at the moment, they are testing into the resistance up here, and later on, let's see if it's able to hold it down. Then we will have continue the selling to find a support, and there are a lot of liquidity down here to take. Okay, so Kiwi is one. All right, so over at this point here, there may be a good chance there. All right, but then again is that we must remember that the trend over here, we are in the bull coming down into the bear, but in the transition. So it has not completely into the bear, and it set up the support, and now it's testing onto the resistance. So at the moment, if you are going to trade this, we are having sellers. Okay, right. So for pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar, very obvious, we are in the bear, correct? Okay, we're in the bear. So this bear is actually retracing upwards to test into the resistance up here. So it got rejected down, correct? Right. So over here. So right now, over this bear trend here, okay, this bear trend here, we are actually looking into this area. Trending market is running until it tested into this level, where let's see if this is going to close below in the next hour. There may be a good chance for the selling down. So the next hour, the selling down may be coming into this level of 64 pips. Okay, very highly. Okay, good chance there. Right, so just need to observe for a little while more before we take action. Okay, so for the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, right, and also dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD. So dollar CAD, we are still moving towards the north, testing down to the resistance. So let's see the trend here at this point here. We are still in this range as well. So coming into this area here, well, we can see that the resistance up here looks very promising to go further up to buy. So dollar CAD at the moment right now, we are still on the buying side. So seller, stay away. All right. For dollar franc, well, dollar franc, we are in the bear. Okay, yes, in the bear, but we have come down to meet up with the support level here. So at this point here, the support has pushed us up for higher lows, and looks like two higher lows have already surfaced, and it's actually going in to test onto the resistance up there. So buying is still possible. All right. For dollar yen, well, for dollar yen is very obvious. Also, we are now into the bear. Now one breaking of the structure to become a bull, retest as a support to continue the buying. So dollar yen, as for dollar yen wise, I will still see that today dollar yen is still on the buy side. Okay, it's still on the buy side. So today, will this dollar yen will still be coming into any area to set up support? They have tested on the one support over here. Now looking out for this level here. All right, looking out into this level here. So if this level has been tested, and there will be a very good chance, okay, for the selling, right, for 80 pips, then to see if there's a good chance that it will still continue the buying. Okay, so but now, you know, it's to me when I look at this dollar yen, there are some conflict of interest. Okay, there's some conflict of interest. So at the moment, all right, at the moment, I will say that yes and no. You can buy and you can sell. So in that case, we will stay away. Okay. All right. So for the Bitcoin updates, okay, 26,007 now. Okay, so we still have a lot more to go. All right. So for the gold wise, let's take a look. The gold has achieved our target here, 1962, and now it went back here to wanted to test into 1982. As for the gold wise, we are still looking into 1982 over into this area here. All right, so is it going for a selling down? Tentatively, I will not suggest any selling first. Okay, but I will suggest for a buying. So buying wise, I'm still looking into this price. Okay, which are about 2001. Okay, after it breaks the support level of resistance level of 1982. Okay, so 1982. So after it breaks 1982, there will be a high chance that we are going into this 2001. Okay, so this is one. All right, so that's for the gold. Okay, so at the moment today looks like we don't really have a lot of currency pairs to watch out for. Okay, we only have a handful of them. Okay, so let's take a look at what we are looking out for. Okay, and here. Okay, right, and let's see. Okay, in this case here, let's come back here. What do we have? Pound dollar first. Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, pound dollar over at this point here, looking into this level, it tested into 124.66.7, which I see well. Okay, looks like now retracing downwards, and it got rejected downwards. Okay, and over here looks like over at this point here, we are now going to retest this area or to set up a lower high, then after that go for a lower low. Then after that, from here, there may be a good chance that we will be coming down to take this area here. Okay, So looks like there's a good chance there. So we do not know yet. Okay, so after that, let's see. Okay, yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah. And currently, after the CPI news, okay, what else do we have? Let me check. All right. So coming along, in another 3 hours, we have the pound. Okay, the Bailey's going to speak. Okay, Bank of England. Okay, then after that, we will see how it goes with tonight. Bailey's going to speak again. Okay, so all these are one that they are going to talk about. You know, they are going to talk about the they are going to talk about this zero delivery summit. Okay, in London, and also okay, to the participation in the French side. Okay, inflation and economy. So that will also determine their economy status. Okay, so well, let's take a look. Okay, how it goes first. Okay, all right. Because today it will be quite a rocky day, I would say. All right, it can be quite a rocky day. So we got to be a little bit careful. Okay, yep. All right. So yep. Thank you so much. Okay. Hi, Sabrina. Okay, so let's see and let's wait. Okay, let's wait for a while to see if this actually comes in for a good selling off. Okay. Over here. I think over here, right? Hi, Joshi boy. Nice to see you here. Okay, so currently, looks like you can see we are in the bull, right? So for pound dollar to continue the buying is it possible? There may be a possibility that they will actually goes up to take out. Okay, then after that, to take out this liquidity here resistance. Then after that, then they will start to swing down to sell. Okay, yeah. So at the moment, okay, I will say that right now we are supposed to wait. Okay, we are supposed to wait for a while. Okay, so let's see if that will give us some profits along this session. Okay, so for pound yen, we are still in the bull as well. So let's wait for it to test into the resistance. The next hour it may comes in from the London market. Okay, it comes in to continue the selling. Okay. Let's take a look. Aussie yen. Yen, Aussie yen, we are having some retracement. Yes, the mic is a bit fading. The mic is a bit fading in and out, right? Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening. Also, yeah, it was fine for the past few days. I'm okay. Maybe it's not the mic, it's my vocal. Okay. Yep, okay, yes. Hi. Ask Hema. Just made a short profit with 0.05 lots. Okay, congratulations. Which currency pairs that you are entering? Congratulations. All right, that's good. That's good. Okay. Yep. I think that's nice. Okay. Okay. So for Aussie yen, Well, Aussie yen. Yeah, past few days was crystal clear. I think maybe the might going too far from broker. It sounds good right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me do some adjustment. Rightfully, it shouldn't be that way. Okay, so let me know. Okay, pound yen due to the news. Oh, I see. Okay. So you enter a trade based on during the news announcement. Okay, try not to. If so, try not to. Okay. Let's say over here. Let me explain why. Okay. For me. Okay. Right, for me. Okay. If you are going for a buy, of course, you are riding on the wave. Then I think that's fine. But the thing is that it's also not very advisable because there's a lot of disadvantages to enter trades during this high impact news. Okay, what we do is that we will wait for we will wait for the price to settle down. Okay, then after that, then we will see if there's a good chance for it to sell back. Okay, around it to sell back. So once it sell back, okay, then we will take an opportunity to continue the selling. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so over here, okay, so right here for the pound yen, okay, so we are still pretty strong. Okay, over here, all right, still pretty strong into the resistance to push even higher. Yeah, okay, looks like it's trying to break the resistance. Okay, so over at this point here, okay, yes, do you think the combination between line chart and a 1 hour time frame is good? I'm having hard time to keep on due to fear it will lose. Line chart in with H1 like this. Okay. I think whether do you think a combination between the line chart and the 1 hour time frame is good? Okay. It depends on how do you use it. Okay, it depends on how do you use it. So let's say, okay, if you are actually looking at the line chart for the formation like a W here, all right, after it breaks through this area here, the neckline, and you pump in the buy, okay, that is one way. Okay, that is one way. And if you're looking into using a first 1 hour time frame, okay, usually it should be more onto a swing. Okay, so it is okay, but you must set the rules correctly for your entry. Okay, so if you are using H1, H4, okay, all these are a bigger time frame, which means you are going for a swing. Okay, I would say that it's a big swing. Okay, so more onto the long term. Okay, more onto a long term. So let's say if you are talking about this area here, okay, this is the peak here, and actually it's come in here to set up for the buy, right? Then you may be looking out into this area to buy up for about 20 pips. Okay, or may even go up to this level of the resistance here. Then you can go for more pips. Okay, the fundamental, okay, over here, we have my thoughts here. All right, if you're using line chart, it's okay. Okay, if you're using line chart, it's okay. So line chart usually will be more onto looking out for the formation. Okay, the formation. Okay, whether it's a W, whether it's an M, you know, all right, all these are one that will give you a clear signal. All right. Okay, why am I using candles? Is because I want to see as something within the line chart, okay, that actually can give me more information. Okay, for example, like over here, when it started to come into the support, I can see at that point of time where is the support level. It's almost the same thing. Okay, whether it's the line chart or it's a candle chart, okay, candlestick chart. Then importantly is that you have to set the rules. Okay, you have to set the rules for your entry, so that when you have a rules, it's so much easy to time your entry. Okay, you get what I mean? All right. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you are using line chart or you are using candlestick. Okay, sometimes we can use a candlestick to combine the line chart. Okay, if you are using a line chart, you can combine with the candlestick. Okay, it's vice versa. So in a way, okay, you can because during this area here, people cannot see is there a double bottom or a W to form up a buy formation, correct? So you can use a line chart to see, to take a look at this, which actually give you a very clear signal, okay? But there are people who actually can see, right, using candle, right? You can see from here, okay, from to here, there's a W, okay? So that you can also use a candlestick chart, to your own comfort level, okay, with the rules that you are going to set in timing your entry, okay, all right, okay. So that's my 2 cents count, okay, yep. Okay, yep. Hi Alan, nice to see you here. All right, so right now, if you are looking into this, pound dollar, yeah, yes, pound dollar is moving as our plan here is still moving towards the north. Okay, it's still moving towards the north. So still waiting for it to take this level. Okay, so for ask Emma, all right, Emma, for your previous trade, I saw your M5 pips strategy. What is the stop loss you use for that? Okay, let's say, okay, usually first of all, 5 pip strategy, you have to sell from your resistance. You have to sell from the resistance. So that example, this is a resistance here. We are going to sell from here. Okay, let's say if you have a resistance, you sell down. So if let's say my entry is here. Okay, let's say my entry is here. So I will be looking out for 5 pips down there, and I will also gauge if, okay, if this reverse against me like this and it breaks above this resistance, so I'm suffering 12 pips of losses, and I would want to get 5 pips for this trade. Is it worth the risk? Okay, so it's become a risk reward. Okay, so the reward is 5 pips and my risk is actually 12 pips. So is it good? Is it worth the entry? If not, no, then we don't take. Okay, if it's too big. Okay, for example, my 5 pips trading. Okay, my 5 pips trading. Usually, I don't see us. Then when I want to enter a trade, I will also gauge if my 5 pips trading. Okay, my 5 pips trading strategy, can it go as much as possible? Okay, let's say I can only go for 10 pips. Let's say, okay, and after the 10 pips, I have a support. So from there, I will see. I only have a space for 10 pips. So if I take 5 pips, 50% chance, correct? But let's say the support is away from me like 30 pips. Okay, so if I choose to take 5 pips, can I say I'm safe? Correct? Okay, the theory comes along like, let's say you are driving. Okay, you're driving from within the city, so you have a full tank of gas. So I'm sure it's safe to drive around the city. But if you are driving out of the city from another state to another state, do you think one tank of gas is it enough? It's not enough. So let's say from my city, I'm going to drive down to another states. It's about 293 kilometers, let's say. So can I say if I only want to drive down to 5 click, okay, is it good enough? Yes. Okay, so it will be safe for me to grab that 5. Although I say it's 5 pip strategy, but I will always find an entry that can give me a big space down there, let's say 29 pips. Then I will decide whether should I take 5 pips or 10 pips, okay, or maybe 20 pips, but not 29 pips. Okay, I will always leave a 20 to 25%. All right, let's say 30 pips, 5% is 6, 24 pips. So from here, I have maximum of 24 pips. Okay, so if I choose to take 5 pips, it will be very safe. Okay, it will be very, very conservative. Okay, so if this is 29 pips and I measure up here on my risk, which is 12, okay, so it's still okay for me to go for that. You get what I mean now? Okay, so that's one way to set a stop, and from this 5 pip strategy, the concept, okay, the concept of this 5 pips strategy. Okay, right? Yeah, Mano, where are you from? After talking so much, currently I'm in Singapore. Where are you? Where are you from? Thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, okay. All right. As for the pound dollar, okay, after the high impact news, all right. So we are currently looking into this. Okay, we are looking into this area here, all right, to get this resistance or to get this level, okay, of the liquidity down there. Then before we will start the selling, right? Oh, you're from Malaysia. I see. So we are neighbor. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. All right. So yeah, can you imagine if you're from Penang, you're going to drive down to Singapore? Okay. Okay. That's the theory. All right. Thank you so much for coming in. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I saw your 5 pip strategy, which was quite different compared to other YouTubers that I have watched and find unique and interesting. So I want to explore. Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. All right. Yep. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, working hybrid while working. I'm at KL. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I see you in KL. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. When I'm in KL, I'll let you know. Okay. When I'm going to KL, I'll let you know. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So interesting. Interesting. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay. Yeah. Yes. I've been holding a lot of seminars before the COVID in Malaysia. All right. In Malaysia. Yes. So yeah, but mostly were. Yep. Okay. So let's see. Okay. We have another question here. Looking like GU is rejecting the resistance. Yep, over here looks like it's forming, right? Correct. So at this point here, if you can see, there's a little M here, right? A little M here, right? So over at this point here, if you are looking into this here, this whole area here, if you're looking at line charts, okay. But if you're looking at the H1 as a line chart here, we are still quite bullish. Okay, we are still quite bullish over here. Still looks like it's still pointing into the north. All right, and at this point here, okay, so come back here. Although we are rejecting from the resistance, okay, but we still have some to take up. We still have some to clear. Okay, we still have some to clear up there. All right, so that then it will start to form up a new resistance to sell. At the moment, can you see these rejections here? All right, even from the M5, there's some rejections over here from the resistance. But not forgetting, H1, we are still working on the green candle. The sellers are still fighting with the buyers within this hour. Okay, we are still fighting within this hour. So at the moment, right, the best strategy is to wait. Okay, let's wait for the London market to open, okay, for the H1 to show us where is there any resistance forming, okay. Then from there, let's see if there will be a good chance that we will actually come down for the selling. Okay, then from there, then we will see if there will be a good chance to sell down from any key levels of a resistance. Okay, for example here, then we will go for the selling. Okay, then we'll go for the selling. At the moment, not now. Okay, not now. Now they are still fighting. Okay, they are still fighting with each other. All right. Okay. Yeah. So that's one that we can take a look. All right. So at this point here, all we have to do is to wait. Okay, we have to wait. Okay. Yep. Yeah. So just be a little bit patient. Let's wait for it to test into the resistance again. Okay, right up here. Okay, so that's one. Okay, we have taken out yesterday's highs. Okay, the highs was not taken out yesterday, and now it's actually moving towards the north. And with the news just now, it has taken out the highs yesterday. All right, and now we are moving towards to take out another highs up there, which is over here. All right, so 124.719 is still there. Okay, so we are still waiting for that to come. Okay, before we actually can continue for the selling. If we are waiting for selling, all right. Okay. Yeah, so right now, if we are going for any buying, all right, I would suggest no. Okay, why is because we are looking into this area here. Okay, that we don't really have a lot of space there, and we only have 5 pips, and it's going to test onto the resistance. All right, then it may get rejected down. Okay, it may get rejected down this round. So I will advise not to. Okay, so from here to here we have ran for 23 pips. Wow. Okay, buyers I think are very happy, but of course over here. Okay, but at that point of time we are actually looking into this resistance which actually has surfaced in front of us. It has already surfaced in front of us. So now it's just the after effect. Okay, it's only an after effect. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the new resistance to form up. Then we will go for the selling. Okay, all right. Yep. Okay, so that's one. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have about 15 minutes to go. Okay, 15 minutes to go. All right. Let's see if that works. Okay. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. Yeah. Okay, so at the moment right now, I'm actually waiting for the pound dollar to form up. Okay, I'm waiting for pound dollar to form up one good resistance. Okay, before I go for any selling. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, so pound yen, let's take a look. Pound yen, right? Pound yen. Okay, pound yen, we are also pushing very high up. Okay, another round of pushing. All right, so over here, let's wait and let's see where is it going. All right, is the pound yen going anywhere that we need to take note? Okay, pound yen, we are still in the buy, so this is supposed to be in the bull. Okay, now. So after this CPI now, it seems like there's no sign of turning back again. No signs of turning back, huh? Alright. No sign of turning back. Okay, so hang on first. Okay, just hang on for a little while. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Yep. Okay. It's like looks like now we are testing into that level. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's see. Okay. This selling off. With this selling off right now. Okay. I wouldn't want to sell right now. Okay. I wouldn't want to sell right now. Okay. Yeah. I would want to wait for a while. Okay. Wait for a while to see. Okay. Because over here, if we actually swing down to see. We are trying to take out this area here. We are trying to take out this area here. So it still look very promising. Okay, it still look very promising. So wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay. Let's wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. Will there be a chance that it will start selling off down from here to down all the way to here? Okay. Then it breaks, then it continue to sell down. Yes. Okay. Yes, there's a possibility. Okay, but currently, if you are looking into this yeah, if you're planning on this move, okay, it must also show that the resistance is actually going to push. Okay, currently, if you can see over here, it's actually still respecting the support, moving up, moving up, moving up. Okay, so at this point of time here, we are still looking into this whole area here. All right, from here is a taking off of the buyers. Okay, so sellers has not really comes in to take over, so we are still on the buy side. Okay, still on the buy side. Yes. Okay, it's still on the buy side. That's why we still have to wait for a little while. Yeah. Okay, still on the buy side. Yes, yes, yes. Sabrina, you are right. Okay. And let's wait for a while and see. Okay. Like I say, we have to wait for the London market open. Okay, we have about 10 minutes to go. Okay, about 10 minutes to go. So be patient. Okay, and let's see how it goes before we take action. Okay. Well, so now, yes, AU coming down. Okay, let's see. AU. Aussie dollar. Okay. Well, Aussie dollar looks good. Okay, over here, right? So tentatively, oh, nice. Okay, can I remove this box? Okay, this is for illustration purpose. Okay, so let's see over at this point here. Yep. Okay. Let me check. Okay. Well, we are coming down to test on this support. Yeah, that's right. If you can see, the support is here. All right. So allow it to break out of this breakdown first. Okay, then after that, it looks like break off from the support. Allow it to retest, set up a new resistance. Then we can go down for another round of selling. Okay, so where are we going? Oh my god, it seems like it's all over the place here. The support is so tough. Okay. So if this break off from the support breakdown into the selling area here, retest, then after that we should have about a 70 pips to go. 70. Wow, looks very, very promising, huh? Okay, it looks very promising. Let me check to make sure it's correct. See. Wow, that's so crazy. That's a lot for Aussie dollar. Okay. Looks like Aussie dollar is very good. The Aussie dollar looks very good. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, Aussie dollar, let's wait. We are still in the bear. So over here, now it's actually testing into the support level. So let's see if this is holding it as a resistance. Then after that, we can go for a selling. Okay. But do remember for Aussie dollar, we have taken out the lows here. All right, the Asian low here. So right now, this area is taken out, and this is one of the support area that we should be looking out for. And you can see we have tested this round, okay, and now setting up this area here. Well, in this area here, if we're going to a line chart, you can see it's moving like setting up for the W. Okay, that's for the who is that? Ask Hema. Am I right? Ask Hema. Do I pronounce your name as Hema or Hema? Number 1, Hema. Number 2, Hema. Okay, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see how is it going. All right. Okay, and Let's see. Aussie dollar is 1. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, yeah, what is about pound dollar? Pound dollar, let's see. Okay. Oh, it went back to test onto this area here. Okay, so this area here, coming down here to test into this area here, but hang on. Alright, look out because over here, okay, it may be a support around this area. As you can see, a lot of commotion there. Okay, a lot of commotion over there. So just hold on to it. Okay. Yep. Okay, and I see that about 7 minutes away. About seven minutes away to London market opening. Right. So let's wait for a while. Wait first. Yes, have to wait. Exactly. Okay. How about Aussie dollar? Okay, let's see Aussie dollar. I guess maybe for Aussie dollar we have to wait for it to come to retrace upwards to form another round of resistance. It will be safer that way. Okay. Yeah. Looks like wow, it's selling off from yesterday all the way. Like Joshy Boy was saying, is your bad time. Okay. Yeah. So at the moment it's seems like stopping here. Okay. So well, if this is going to go down for selling, okay, then maybe yeah, like let's see. Okay, one level here. Well, we have about 3 to 4 pips again to test that. Okay. Yes, the bears are strong. Correct. Okay. Let's see over at this point here. Okay, go down now. Alright. Okay, so do some adjustment. Okay. Yep. Alright. That should be one level. Okay. Okay. So we have 4 minutes to go. Yeah, closing soon to the next H1 opening. Okay, I think that should be quite good. All right, that should be quite good. Okay, so yep, we are now moving towards the north for the Aussie dollar to test. Okay, one more round to test to see. When it tests, don't enter the trade immediately. Okay, don't enter the trade immediately. Let's wait for it. Let's say what if and in case it breaks above and it goes for the buying. Okay, well, so we have to wait for a while. Okay, let's wait for a while first. All right. Okay, so for pound dollar. Yes, set up the support, huh? Okay, let's take a look. Oh, yep. Now, okay, it's still holding it very well over here. All right. Let's see over at this point here. Okay. I saw a support there. Okay. Okay, so not easy to break. 124.462. Okay, looks like it's not easy to break. Hi CK, nice to see you here. Yeah, okay. Over at this point here, right? Let's see. Support. It's being supported. Okay, it's being supported. So hold on. Okay. Yeah. Let's wait for a while. 3 minutes to go. Okay. Yeah, time flies really fast. Okay. Yeah, and I'm looking into this area here. looks like it's very good. Okay, let's see if I have anything down there for me to take. Okay, 1, 2. If I'm looking to this candle here, okay, 9 to 10 pips. Right, 9 to 10 pips there. Okay, so but for this area, okay, although now we are into this resistance, we may even test into this area of resistance, which is about 124,975. Okay, 124,975, this whole range here, 124,975. okay, about there, okay, yeah. Wow, looks like this area here, we will see how it goes. Oh wait, okay, we have to wait. We are 1 minute away. Okay, 1 minute away from London market opening. All right. Okay, so let's see. Well, if we string the chart this way, okay, we can see the selling off down here. Yesterday was very good on the selling after it set up the support here. Okay, and it started to boom up for the CPI here, and it looks like it stopped at the resistance level here. Correct? It stopped at the resistance level here. So right now, okay, if we are going for the selling, okay, there may be a good chance, but still waiting for the right time to go for the selling. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we can see, well, started off. London, good morning, London. It's selling now. Let's check. Okay, if the selling is good. It looks quite good, huh? Yeah, it looks quite good. Yes, focus on the GU. Okay, for CK, especially you. Okay. Well, looks like the pound dollar is good. Okay, looks like the pound dollar is good for the selling. Right, so it's trying to close below 124,462 after the first 5 minutes. We'll see how it goes. All right. Okay, because over at this point, this level here, there may be some turbulence. Okay, but if this is actually they can pass through this price of 124,386, then we'll be looking out to take the lows of the opening today, which is about 29 pips away. Okay, about 29 pips away. Okay, so still looking good. All right, so it should be now. Okay, the selling off. Well, you can take a look like an example for HEMA. Okay, and let's see if basing on a chart or a line chart, if she have a turn down here. Okay, a turning down here. We are meeting up with one resistance for the selling. Okay, looks like over here. Okay, but right now, both whether you are on the line or you are on the candlestick, we have to we are waiting for a little while whether to go on the selling. All right, let's see if the next 5 minutes can close below this area. All right, if they can close below this area here, all right, then selling can be quite possible after it breaks this whole level here. Okay, because it's actually now opening from this area here. Okay, so we still need a little while to see. Okay, if this will break the buying structure, then after that the sellers will come in. Okay, sellers will come in from there. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes first. Okay. Yep. Okay, so my plan for the pound dollar at this point of time here. Okay, I'm waiting for this to close below the area. All right, then maybe another chance of selling down here. Okay, from there, then we'll see if the selling can come in to take the lows of the day over here. Okay, which sorry guys, give me a minute. Okay. Okay, guys. Yep, I'm here. All right. So give me a while. Okay. Yep, I have sorry guys, I have have some important call that out of nowhere it calls in. Okay. Well, as a pound dollar, do take note on the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Take note of pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar, we still have 1 minute to go. Okay, if you some of you may enter. Okay, you may enter at the resistance that forms down here. You can. Okay, but then again is that you have to look out. Okay, you have to look out if there's any space available below for you to continue to sell. Okay, over here. All right, so if usually this case, okay, try to wait for one resistance tested, then sell down again. Then we will go for the selling. Okay, I think that will be that will be good. Okay, I think that will be good. All right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, hang on for a while. Okay, guys, sorry. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I will stay my hand. Yeah, until we get the resistance. Yeah, that's quite true over right now. Okay, you can see that it closed below. Okay, now it closed below over here. Then we may want to take a look at this level here. Okay, we may want to take a look at this level here. Right, this level here. Okay, this level here. Now it breaks this level, it closes below, correct? It closes below. So now we have another level. This is quite choppy for the pound dollar. Okay, quite choppy over here. All right, so if this able to continue to hold it downwards here, then it may just swing down. Okay, it may just swing down all the way. Then we take it as a mist. Okay, we take it as the mist. If not, okay, it may swing back to form another higher lows. Okay, a resistance. We should see a high here, then another lower high here. Okay, then it may continue to swing. Okay, if you miss these highs, let's say, okay, and this high, it doesn't give a very good opportunity to go, then we don't go. But if these highs, okay, this another lower highs that give another good chance to swing down, then go. Okay, then we will go for that. You get what I mean? Okay. So at the point here, we are stopping into this area here, right? So that means to say we are still within this range here. Okay, we are still within this range. So let's see if there's another retest up here to form another resistance to come back here once again. Then okay, then we will go for it. Okay, yep, it's getting near. Okay, keep cool, keep cool. All right, it's getting near, but keep cool. Okay, yeah. It should be currently by looking into this London market opening, seems like it should be good. Okay, it should be good. All right, because generally I see there's a very good chance for a very good chance down here. They are going to continue the selling. Okay, cool as a cucumber. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Oh, you're too eager. I entered at the price of 124,408. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Keep cool. Keep cool. All right. Over at this point here, let's see. We have one level here, then 124,259. Let's see, 124,259, 124. I think it should be around here. Okay, let's see. There's a resistance level here. that when the price come into this level, it may become a support, which about 124,278, 124,278. Okay, right. If you are already in the selling, okay, yeah, take note of this area here. Okay, this area, it may comes in here, okay, to become a support here. Okay, then it may have some turbulence. Okay, but of course it doesn't mean that it will not break. Okay, 57, 60. Okay, so about 30. Okay, so it looks pretty okay, right? It looks pretty okay. Yeah, getting near. Okay, getting near. So hang on first. All right, just hold on. Okay. Yep, and yes. How do you read the M1? Okay. How do I read the M1? Okay. M1 is very small time frame at this moment. Okay. You can see M1 is very small time frame. But if you are reading on the M1, okay, you can use M1 as well. Okay, to form up the resistance. Okay. If the M1 that form the resistance where the M5 comes along, okay, then I think it's also okay, but the M1 is at the very right to the moment. Okay, so if you're using M1 time frame, okay, if you're using M1 time frame, because M1 time frame moves very fast, so you may see like wave like this, okay, wave like this to form resistance. Then you can look out for the selling at that point. Okay, then you can compare with M5 to see the selling is consistent. Okay, we are looking for consistency if you are looking for M1. Okay, yeah, right. So it has to be consistent together with the M5. Okay, right, yeah. So right here looks like they have come down here to take this area. So tested onto this and get rejected up. Well, this support doesn't seem like it's very strong. Okay, so we can still see that maybe looking out for some new resistance to sell down. Okay, and maybe a new resistance to continue the selling down. Okay, all right. So let's see. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, all right. So at the moment seems like they are going to test into this level, right? This area here. Okay, now it's tested. Okay, tested into this whole area here. Okay, this whole area, right? This whole area here. Okay, so it's tested into this whole area here. Okay, so once now it's tested into this whole area. Like example, this one of the lowest one, then okay to the highest one. Okay, this range. Okay, so let's see if that this will actually hold it. Okay, if this hold and next 5 minutes to open below, then it should be quite a good one. Okay, it should be quite a good one to sell. Okay, but this selling off looks like it can be quite temporary. Okay, it can be quite temporary, huh? Okay, so just take note. Okay, yeah. Okay, because if we are looking into this area here, looks like you see from here. Okay, from here. Okay, let me move the chart a little bit. Okay, like this, you can see the swing down. Okay, after the support setup, then after that it started to move towards the north to test onto the resistance. It started to swing down again. Okay, so now at this point here, okay, at this point here, looks like over at this area here, it started to go down a little bit. Okay, so it's looking for some support before it continue the buying. So there's one point over here that we need to take note, okay, which is over into this area 124,278. Okay, that is one. So we can see the number of pips here. We have about 14 pips. We have about 14 pips. All right, so it depends on where did we enter. If we entered nicely, if the market surfaced nicely for selling, then I think that should be good. Okay, that should be good to go for another round of selling to this area of 124,278. Okay, and then we will observe once again if this area it can breaks to take down the lows. then we can continue to hold the trade. Okay, but if you are taking a 5 pips scalping with for this 15 pips of space, okay, I see that, okay, I think it's still pretty good. All right, it is still pretty good. Okay, yeah. So let's hold on for a little while more. Okay, let's hold on for a little while more to see if that works. Okay, currently we can still see this area of space here. Okay, still quite good. All right, yeah. Can take note. Okay, take note of that. All right, and about 1 minute to go. Okay, so just now you're talking about 1 minute, right? Okay, so you can see, okay, 1 minute over here. It seems like it went up a little bit, tested. Can you see the 1 minute tested and it started to reject it downwards? Okay, but it stopped somewhere here as a support here, correct? Okay, looks like it's good to sell. Okay, M5. Okay, when you talk about M5, okay, look at M5. M5 got rejected down. Okay, from here it tested once. Okay, it tested once that it got rejected down. Okay, this is a rejections now, but there isn't any resistance. So if you are scalping from the rejections, it may works. Okay, it can still works. Okay, but you must understand the rejections here. It may be only a very short term one. Okay, it's going to be a very short term one. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, when you understand the price action here. Okay, it's actually rejections. Okay, rejections, and it started to push. Okay, this is the after effect from the rejections. It's after effect from the rejections. Okay, it's not a new resistance. Okay, if there's a new resistance, of course they will be better. So usually when you come for rejections like this, okay, you may see price from here. Okay, it may start to swing down to hit onto the support. Okay, then after that, it swing back to test onto the resistance once again to form a real resistance. Then you will know that, okay, the support now is forming up the support. From the rejection, it will start to form the support. Okay, then it start to swing down. Okay, then from there we get, okay, we will clearly know, okay, the support is here. Then we will know, okay, over here we are going to swing this way after the new resistance comes in. Okay, so this is the after effect from the rejections here. If you are prepared to enter for the rejections, okay, from the rejections here, quite okay, but it's very short and temporary. Okay, very short and temporary. So any form of support that comes along, it may reject back again. Okay, it may reject it back again. Okay, all right, yeah. So you have to you have to understand all this. Okay, so that it's easier for you to understand how to enter a trade. Okay, to time your entry correctly. Okay, yeah. Okay, so if you're looking to M1, you can see M1 here. M1, okay, in M1 it has already rejected, showing that it tested and started to form a very from the resistance here. It's trying to break off the resistance, but it tested into the resistance level. Okay, it got rejected now back into the resisted area, okay, all right. So yeah, and if that actually can work, okay, if you understand that rejected area, then you can see that, okay, I know my entry is a rejection. Okay, I will understand that my entry is a rejection. Okay, so you will know, okay, it's going to be a short-term one. Then I will only grab a few to go. Okay, yep. All right, so over here, okay, so let's see. And looks like it's coming in to set up the support. Okay, so we can wait for a while. Okay, we can wait for a while to see if that actually comes in to set up the support. Okay, all right, yeah. GUTP 5 pips, Bradley. Okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay, not bad, nice. So you're actually looking out for the rejections, right? Okay, so yeah, and so once you understand that, okay, then you roughly know, okay, for scalpers especially, okay, especially for the scalpers, okay, scalpers for 5 pips, I think that is always a very good one, okay, it's always a very good understanding about this, then you will know how it goes, then it will be so much easier. All right, okay, yep, okay, looks like it's coming in, okay. After it breaks this, you can see the rejections here, and it's coming in to test into the level of support here. Wow, that is so fantastic, right? Okay, that's so fantastic. Okay, that looks pretty good. Well, really good. But it actually keep going. Okay, looks like if this is, we have 1 more minute, if this is going to close below without support, okay, then this the resistance will be not here anymore, it will be here, then it will need to retest this area. Okay, it's going to retest this area, then it will become another round of selling off, then it will be fantastic. Okay, then it will be fantastic. Okay, well, like I said, if that simply sell off, then so sad. Okay, okay, then yes, Joshy boy, yep. Aussie still selling down. I see lower support at 65640 Aussie dollar. Let's take a look. Okay, Aussie dollar. I understand the plan for GU. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so for the Aussie dollar, okay, for the Aussie dollar over here, wow. Okay, 65640, 65640. Okay, 65640, right. 65640. Let's take a look. 65640, which is, I think, still good. Okay. 65640, huh? 65640. 65640. I guess it may be even lower than that. 65640. I will say that it can go. Yeah, TP 20 pips. Wow, easy money. Merry Christmas. Which one? Pound dollar, right? Okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay. Well done. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Let's see for the Aussie. For the Aussie. Yeah, yes. Okay, yeah, around here. Correct. You still have about 10 over pips to go, about 16 pips to go. Okay, once this 16 pips, if this can break your price, okay, for Joshy boy, okay, I think it will go crazy. Wow, there's a lot of liquidity down here to take. A lot of liquidity to take. Well done, huh? Okay, Aussie dollar, yeah, okay, very good. Okay, after the Aussie dollar, it hover here. Finally, it breaks through, and then we are going to look out for a lot of pips down there to take. Fantastic. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's very good. Okay, that's very good. Okay, well done. Okay, so yep, pound dollar. Yes, nice, pound dollar. All right, so we also need to understand. Okay, there's pound dollar over here. Pound dollar today, okay, 2023, 24th of May over here, we can see that just now after the CPI news, okay, we are not going to sell until it breaks this level. It closed below this level here. All right, after it closed below this level, all right, after it closed below this level, the CPI went up. Okay, yeah. Yes, you cannot hear me? Now can, huh? Okay. Let me, okay, I will reverse a little bit. Okay. Okay, I reverse a little bit. All right. Okay, for the pound dollar, just now after the CPI news, okay, then after that, we set up the support here. After it breaks this area here, then we can see some testing onto the resistance, okay, from the price of 124,430. Then you can see the rejections. Okay, there's rejections coming in, and engulfing candle after the rejections. We can see that the support area is here. So we are working towards this area here, about 10 over pips. When you are working on the rejections, always remember that, okay, we are only having a short term. Okay, we are only a short term. So there's only one support that over here that we are looking at. If the price comes in after the rejections that stop at the support, we have to get out of the market. If that breaks and close below the support, then may still have a good chance to form another lower highs to continue the selling to take out the lows of today. Right, so successfully taken out the lows of today, I would say. No, not really. Okay, then we may want to consider, okay, to cut the profits. Okay, by like say 20 pips, we went down for say about 24 pips, right? Okay, we can get a 20 pips, we can cut off. Okay, then after that, collect the profits and keep it. Okay, all right. So that's one. Okay, so that is one point there. Okay, so that's one way that we should be able to grab and understand from the rejections, and then we were able to grab some scalping profits. Okay, some scalping profits, but of course this is a bonus move. Okay, this is a bonus move. All right. Okay, so like just now we're looking at other currency pairs, and out of nowhere I'm looking at this. Okay, for the pound dollar, is coming, and then we will wait. Okay, we'll wait for a little while. Okay, so for this area here, okay, for this area here, sorry, just now, yeah. For this area, if I'm looking into the candlestick here, you can see that we have a stop at the support level over here. All right, so I'm going to put this down to this support level here, as you can see. All right, so you can see there's another rejections here. All right, another rejections here. So we have one rejection here. Okay, then let me move this over here. There's one rejections here from 124,428 to 124,134, correct? Okay, so this area. Now there's another area here. Okay, good. This area again, we have about another 28 pips to go. So let's say, okay, if this is going to retrace upwards, like just now I was saying, if this is going to retrace upwards to test again, because over here there's no resistance. Okay, there's no resistance at all, but it's a rejection. So this rejection actually pushes the price down here, right? Now it set up one support to move up to test on the resistance level here. Okay, this is a resistance level, but it has not formed any new resistance to form as a lower highs compared to this high, lower high. The next lower high may be here. All right. So if this is going to move up to test into 124,428, all right, then you may see one lower high, and this lower high comes in to set up a resistance. Then we know the support is here, correct? Okay, sorry, here. Then we will be able to see, okay, there's a good chance to take this liquidity at about 29 pips. Okay, then we can continue to one more round of 29 pips down there. Okay, so this is the first move to set up the to find out where's the support. So the buyers will come in. Okay, the concept, the concept. Okay, all right. So the concept. Let's talk about the concept. The concept will be this way. Okay, it will go down after the rejections of from the resistance. It will start to go down to look out for a support. So it tests the support, but has not set up. So it will start to go up again to form a next lower resistance, which we can see is around this area here. Okay, which is about 124,428. If this really happens and set up and hold as a resistance, you can see this lower resistance as a lower high confirmed here. So another resistance form up here from this 124,428, then we will be able to see that they are going down to take the support, to set up the support, because earlier on it's just only testing. All right, then now we are going to set up the support over here before it go for a buy. Okay, understand? All right, so yep, understand, and give me an okay. All right, if you understand, give me an okay. Okay, so yep, I think as we are trading here, we are sharing. Okay, so yep, let's share together. Okay, yes, it's a bonus move. Congratulations, Merry Christmas. Okay, nice. Okay, so usually if there's not any resistance, it's a rejections. If you're not comfortable, you can wait. Okay, you can wait for it to come down first. Okay, then after that, when it's found, when the price found the support, that allow it to go up first to set up the resistance, then come back to set up. Okay, that's usually the procedure. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's one. All right, so that's one one way that we can look out for, so that it will be easier for us, okay, to trade. Okay, then we also know, okay, if this is going to continue the selling down, don't chase. If this sell down to this area and stop here to form our support, okay, you will see a little A here, okay, support here, maybe. Then we know that it's going to reverse. Okay, then we shall wait. Okay, then we shall wait. All right, for pound dollar, congratulations for those who have taken the profit here. All right, do remember to smash the like button after you take the profits. All right, that will be the greatest reward for me. Okay, yeah. All right, I'm feeling sleepy again. All right, the Z monster is attacking me, so I have to be a little bit active. All right. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Okay, let's see if this is going to work. All right, yesterday I think somebody was asking me about how do you use the EMAs, right? Okay, so for example, the EMAs here, so you can see at this moment the EMAs 50 is actually cutting below the EMAs 150. All right, then you can see candles are falling below the 50s, and they are maintaining below the 50s. So if they are maintaining the below the 50s, yes, you can continue to hold it. Okay, all right, euro dollar. Yeah, wow, euro dollar looks so nice. Okay, oh, beautiful. But the support level is very near. Okay, we have a very strong support over here. Okay, so let's take a look. Yep, you can see. Okay, we are only about 11 pips away. Not even enough for 10 pips, including our spread. But if you are scalping for 5 pips, yeah, okay, I think that's pretty okay. That should be pretty okay. Yep. Okay, so we have a low to take over here. All right, so this should be the magnet, price magnet, about 8 pips. Okay, about 8 pips there. So this should be the one. This should be the one that we are taking a look. 8 pips away. If you are scalping for 5, I think manageable. Okay, if you are scalping for 5, I think it's manageable. All right. Okay, so since we have taken out, we have taken profits from the pound dollar. All right, then guys, okay, don't risk your profit for such a small space. Okay, don't risk your profit on such a small space. Okay, all right, this area is a bit small. Okay, not enough, including of the spread, is not even enough. All right, so when we are trading, okay, when we are trading, knowledge sharing session, okay, when we are trading, apart from structure, breaking out structure, strategy, whatever, we also need to take note. Okay, we also need to take note if there is enough profitable space for us to take. For example, if you are looking into this area here, we only have about 6 pips, correct? About 6 pips. So we only have 6 pips. If you are going to grab for 5, including of spread, let's say 1 for EU, okay, 1.8, 1.5, I don't know, okay, let's say 2, okay, it's not enough. Okay, unless you're praying very hard that it will break. Okay, unless you're praying very hard enough that it will break the support here. Okay, then you will get a 5 pips TP. So it's a bit torturing and struggling, right, for that 5 pips. So I don't see a point there. Okay, so we can skip that. Okay, we can skip. Okay, it looks good, but not enough space. Alright, not enough space. Okay, so for let's say Aussie dollar. Okay, let's say Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar, oh, looks pretty good. Okay, did you enter for the Aussie dollar? I hope you entered for the Aussie dollar. Okay, yeah. Yes, dear. If you're asking me, why do I always trade in the London session? Okay, first of all, I wouldn't want I'm not a fan of in the Asian market. Okay, I will always wait for the Asian market to form up. Okay, to form up. For example, Euro dollar, Asian market will form up the highs here. Then, if then they will usually they will come along with a selling structure. Okay, a selling structure, selling signal. Then after that, I will work on the selling after it form up. Okay, I want to see a formation, so usually I wait for that formation. Okay, yeah, 107748 7748 about here. Okay. This entry I would say quite okay. This entry is quite okay, right? And if you're taking 10 pips, probably just nice. Okay, and over here there's a quite of some turbulence, especially here. Okay, about 7 to 8 pips, about 7 to 8 pips. Okay, 7 to 8 pips. So your stop, just get ready if the stop breaks above this area here. So you have about 4 pips. Okay, yeah, and let me bring this. One, two, three. Oh, over here. Okay. Yeah, over here. All right. Okay, so if the price is going to stop around 107,806, then this is one of the resistance. It may continue to go down for the selling. Okay, after that, it will continue the selling, right? It will continue down for the selling. Okay, over here. Yep. And at this point here, right, let's see. Okay, we can wait for a while to see. Okay, for the euro dollar. Okay, for the euro dollar will test into this area here. Then after that, may form one lower, another lower highs here. Okay, one lower high is already here, so you have to be very careful. This area, if this is going to break above, okay, no matter what, okay, it set up a support above. No matter what, you have to cut the trade. Okay. Why? Is because it has a break of structure. It's going for a buy. Okay, so that is something that my concern. Okay, that's something that my concern for the euro dollar. All right. Okay. Hi, Caro. No pro you throw. Well, hey, master. Hey guys, don't call me master. Okay. Alright, don't call me master. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm good. Alright. I'm good when I see you here. When I see everybody here. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, okay. You can call me amateur. Hey, amateur. Like that. I think I'll be happier. Okay. Yep. Alright. Okay. Yep. So let's see. Okay. Yep. Alright. We can see that and this is something that we should be looking out for. Okay. Right. What is that? You are the master of this art. Okay. Thank you so much. Well, can look at GJ. Okay, let's look at GJ. Okay, for MK, right? MK, please take note of this euro dollar first. Okay, while I excuse myself to pound yen. Okay, for pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Oh, what a good turn down, man. Okay. Well, we can see this pound yen. Let's take a look. All right. Wow, this is so good. What's happening? Yeah, happy trading. Yeah. All right. Okay. Pound yen. Oh, pound yen just started to sell off from here. Oh, pound yen just started selling off after the rejections. You can see rejected, forming a less resistance here, selling down. Oh, 10 pips has went off. Thank you, CK. Yeah, nice. It will be coming down to, let's see. Over here. We have one level to take here. Okay, 172.011. 172.11. 172.011. We are pretty near to one of the support area already. Okay, so let's say if this is able to break. Okay, if this is able to break for the pound yen, it looks like we are going back to where I want it to be. Okay, so it should be around, we still have around 30 pips to go. If this break, if the pound yen can break this area, okay, so another 10 pips to go. All right. Yep. Okay, so yes, 20 years of amateur. Yes, 20 years of amateur. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Shh. Hush. Please don't say that. Okay, please don't say that. The keyword is 20 years. That make me sound so old. Okay. Okay, yeah, alright. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so over here, okay, so that's for the pound yen. Okay, pound dollar. Let's see, pound dollar. Alright, so now pound dollar, let's take a look. I'm going to make some adjustment here. Right, pound dollar support here. Okay, we are not going to think of selling now. We're not going to think of selling anymore. Okay, we are going to look out for buy. Okay, no, not buy. Okay, right over here. Okay, I'm going to wait for it to test into this area. Okay, yeah, I'm hungry. What's happening? What's happening over there? You know, just now I said a sentence of Singlish. What's the happening? Okay, I'm hungry. What's happened to you? What's the happening? Okay, I thought you always have your breakfast very early. So do you have donuts today? Are you going to have donuts today? Or peanut butter? Oh my god. You are making me feeling famished. Oh. Well, okay. I'm also hungry now. After I see the powerful words hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Green. No key bell yet. Have to wait for key bell time then eat. Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah. 哎，救命啊！ Yeah, I told you. Okay, I told you. Right. I told you. I'm here to make you happy. Alright. My mission my mission in life here is to make you happy. Okay? As long as you are happy. Right? Yeah. Okay. Happy trader, happy life. How dollar, we are coming back to test the support. So yeah, you can feel it's coming. Okay. Yeah. Well. Well. Should I give you a more feel about it? Okay. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Right, today I'm really I'm feeling very sleepy. So I need to be a little bit active in order to keep myself active. Okay. Okay, so right, so over here. Oh, what am I talking about? I'm supposed to keep myself I'm trying to keep myself active to keep myself active. Okay, yeah, alright. Yeah. Okay, so we have a continuity of selling over here, guys. Okay, continuity of selling for the pound dollar. Continuity of selling for the pound dollar. So looking at this, we have we are going to push it down lower. Continuity of selling. We have about 8 pips. Continuity, right? Ah, push it real. Push it some more. Ah la 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 long. Ah la 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 long long long. My gosh, this is super goldies, man. Alright. Okay, pound dollar is pushing off. Oh my god. Okay, pound dollar is pushing, and you are still pushing hard. Okay, continuity selling off, showing. Okay, pound dollar showing there's a continuity of selling. Alright, another continuity selling or pushing here. Now it's pushing down to this level here. Wow, the pound dollars looks so sweet. I thought I was waiting I was waiting for it to go up to test and then come back here. Who knows, it works on the second strategy where it's actually coming in for the selling down again. Alright. Yeah. Well guys, well, looks like this level, we are going down to this level 123,917. 123,917. As we can see, alright, yes, past few days we are talking about these rejections here. 2 candles, 1 green candle with upper wicks, and the red candle with the upper wicks as well. It shows that this level, there's another resistance here, and we can take a look. Yeah, the resistance is here. Okay, so it rejected from here. Okay, so it rejected here to form another round of resistance to continue the selling. Okay, so looks like we are going to look out for 123,917. 123,917. Okay, 917 here. Right, 123,917. Well, okay, euro dollar. Yes, congratulations, euro dollar. Let's take a look. How is it going? Oh, okay. Right. It's okay, you missed. It's okay. Yeah. Right. It's okay. No worries. Okay. You can now you can look out for euro dollar. MK, are you still with your euro dollar? MK, are you still with your euro dollar? MK, yeah. GUTP, 10 pip Bradley. Okay, congratulations. Well done, well done. Okay. Well, good. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And looks like it's pretty good. Right. As long as you know what is it going about, huh? How it goes. Okay. And rejection candle formation. Yeah, okay. For MK, MK is still there with your euro dollar. So right now at the moment, okay, this area is close above and now you got out. Okay. So over here, I thought it's swing down, you know, when Sabrina called me for euro dollar. I thought it's actually tested onto the resistance and started to swing down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So at this point here, all right. So just now you were saying that your price is about here, and yeah, I think it's about 7 pips of losses, right? Okay. I think it's about 7 pips of losses. So I think it's quite okay. Now it's setting up for support right here. You can see the candle touches the previous resistance now as a support. So buyers comes in. Okay, so looks like it's going to going for a buy. Okay, so take note of this. Okay, all right, take note of this. So no selling for now anymore. Okay, no selling for now anymore. Okay, yeah. Yes. Okay. Right, so let's see. Okay, yes, rejection candle, my ass, cowboy style. Cowboy style. Yeah. I think, yeah. Okay. Okay, so over here, all right, so you over at this point here. Okay, let's see this area here. Okay, let's see pound dollar. Well, you know me best. You know me best, huh? Yeah. Well. Okay, so over here, all right. Yeah. Over here. Sorry, Carol. Am I disturbing the atmosphere during your key bell time? Okay. Alright, so if pound dollar, okay, so pound dollar we have this area here. Okay, so let's say if the pound dollar is going to retrace upwards, okay, that it's going to set up a resistance at about 124.205. Okay, this area here. So it should be going this way, going up. Okay, then after they tested, then it should come down again to test this again. We have this range. You can take a look at this range for 14 pips, 1-4. Okay, so if not, okay, the next range, the next one will be breaking of this. Okay, then we can take a look of this area here, retest. Then it should be going down to take 123.917 for 15 pips. Okay, like, okay, right. I like to having laugh on Kibel is going quicker. Oh really? Okay. Yeah, so interesting, huh? Okay. You know, the other day I was having a small session. Okay, a small session. Okay, a small session with some friends. Okay, you guess what the topic is? Guess what the topic is? Some of them was talking about, we are all talking about constipation. You know, we are talking about constipation, talking about farting. They were like so proud of how loud the fart is. You know, how well they can hold it. They can hold their power. Well, we are laughing our ass off, man. Really, we are really laughing our ass off. Oh my god. Okay. And the laughter actually, no, no, not the laughter. The topic actually influenced the table beside us, and the few tables around us was laughing, really laughing like mad. It's like, hey brother, what are you talking about? Your topic is so funny. well, you know, it's so funny. Yeah, really. Okay, yeah, enough of my joke here because, alright, we are coming into the last 6 minutes. Okay, so in this community, we don't just trade. Okay, when it's time to wait, we will talk about some learning point, some knowledge sharing, and some jokes. You know why? It's because to keep the FOMO away. Alright, it's to keep the FOMO away because over here, when I look at the pound dollar, a lot of us will be thinking it's going to enter into a breaking of the support and we are going to enter for a trade. So that's the purpose. I'm trying to talk nonsense, some nonsensical joke, alright, so that we will keep our fingers away, okay, don't enter any trade here, okay, because at this point, it may anytime when the H1 open, it may just boom up, okay, it may just boom up, okay, so end of the day, we may suffer losses, alright, so tentatively for pound dollar, I'm still looking at the price that it will still come down to 123.917. 123.917 is still very highly possible. Okay, so that's one. All right, so that's one, and that's one way. And we are going to look out for this to form up one resistance somewhere into this whole region here. Then we will go for the selling to 123.917. Okay, 123.917. Okay, so will it actually still continue to go down further? Okay, my final, I will be looking into this area here. All right, I'm looking into this area. Still good. Okay, let me take a look if that is good. Looks like, huh? Looks like. Okay. Let's see. Yep, I am still looking into this area because I guess everybody should know because we have been testing to get into this area down to 123.356. 123.356. Okay, that's one. 123.356. Okay, so that's one that I'm waiting for, the price that I'm waiting for. Okay, 123.356. Okay, so although that is my target, but I have to respect the market. Am I right? I still have to respect the market. So at the moment, okay, we will go zoning. We'll go into zoning. Okay, let's see. So right here, this selling off seems like it's taking out the liquidity here. Okay, so we have a very good space, so that we will have a good space down here. Okay, over here to go on the selling to take out this area. But first of all, I'm going to look out for this price first. Okay, I'm going to look out for this price of 123.915. 923.915 to 917, around there. Okay, the fraction pips, then we can forget about the fraction pips first. Okay, so looking at this, okay, that's the reason why I'm telling you a lot of jokes, I'm talking nonsense, I'm singing, is because I am telling myself, not telling you, okay, I'm telling myself, okay, as an amateur, 20 years of amateur, okay, just amateur, not 20 years, okay, amateur here, alright, I do not want to enter for a trade, okay, I don't want to enter for a trade, so I'm trying to keep myself away from the FOMO, okay. Why? Because can you see there's a rejections here, we are having rejections at the same spot, same price, same spot, same price, okay, same spot, same price. So that also shows there are some support down there. So I do not want to enter a selling trade at the point of support, okay, I do not want to do that, okay, so I want to wait for another round of resistance, then I sell down, okay, to take out this support, okay, or may even, okay, let's say over here I want to take down this support about 9 pips, or even to break it down to 123,917 somewhere there. Okay, then I'll have 20 pips. Okay, if this breaks, I can continue to go down to 123,761, which I have 36 pips in total. Okay, so go by zone, go by zone. Okay, go by zoning. Okay, zone trading. Okay, we'll go by this. All right, guys. So I guess this plan for this pound dollar you should have got it. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's about time. I'm gonna keep my session within 2 hours. All right, within 2 hours, so that you know, I can keep my vocal healthy. All right, so that I can keep going every day. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Hi. How do I read your name? Do I read your name as Elcrit Sunan? Do I pronounce it correctly? Well, anyway, nice to see you here. All right. Elcrit Sunan. Elcrit Sunan. All right. Thank you so much for coming in. Really, thank you so much. But I'm just about to end my live streaming. Do come in tomorrow once again. Okay. Yeah. All right. So just in case you are, I'm not sure if I missed out my pound dollar. Okay. So maybe I can repeat a little bit. Let me rewind a little bit here. Okay, from here, okay, there's a support because of the wicks here, and now I'm waiting for a new resistance to either push it up to test into this resistance to form a lower highs here, and the resistance form up to continue the selling. Okay, and I will look out for another round of selling from here to take this support about 13 pips to 17 pips. If this breaks below, it should continue down to about 28 pips or even down to 36 pips. Okay, about 36 pips. Okay, all right. So by looking at this, now we are, seems like we are another round of selling. Oh, rejections again from the, look at the wick at the same price. Rejections. Seems like there's another round of selling coming. Okay, but okay, pay attention to the next candle. Okay, pay attention to the next candle. Okay, yes, you should sell at the resistance. Always sell at the resistance. Okay, there's one resistance here. Okay, there will be another resistance down here. Okay, over here. So let's say if this breaks below, don't chase. Okay, you will be chasing the low price. So allow it to retrace upwards to test onto the resistance level here or here to form up another resistance like this. Okay, right. Then from there we go down for the selling. Okay, always trade within the resistance area if you are selling. Always enter at the resistance if you are selling. Okay, all right. So that will be easy for you to achieve my 5 pips trading strategy. Okay, all right. Okay, so usually come to this area here. Okay, we can see, seems like there's another continuity of selling like this. Okay, but it did not form the resistance. So we have to wait for the candle to close. Okay, so if this is not closing yet, so we cannot take action immediately. Okay, so we have to wait for a while. If this is going to retrace upwards, then we'll repeat the steps. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think that should be all. I will be back tomorrow once again. Okay, thank you very much for your presence. Okay, and your attendance. Well, once again, right, if you have taken the profit from my session, okay, just now we took a pound dollar. Okay, so I wish you good luck, and I wish you good luck with bountiful profits in the New York session. Okay, and also remember to smash the like button for me. All right, smash the like button for me. All right, thank you so much, guys, and I shall come back again tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much. All right, and I shall see you again. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you guys. All right.